Hey guys, Jason here with GHL Smart Scripts. I'm going to move this camera over a little bit. Here we're going to talk about the custom values updater and how to get rolling with that. First of all, let me say thank you for purchasing. I think you made a really great decision, and this is going to help your life out a lot because it's going to allow you to update custom values from any form that's on your site. So two things that you need to have set up is you need to have the custom values inside your snapshot or your location or however you're doing it. A lot of people have them inside of their snapshot so that they can add them to different locations. And then you need to have custom fields inside that snapshot as well, so that we can create the links and the connections and everything like that, so we can map your custom fields to your custom values. So let me go over to one of our things here and let me just show you what that might look like. So I'm going to jump over to our Smart Rewards here. It's a system that we're just building right now. But for example, inside here, we have a ton of custom values. Okay, so here's our custom values for our system that's going to be up and rolling now. What you're going to want to do is you're going to also want to go into custom fields. And inside custom fields, you're going to want to create a new custom field for each one of the custom values you want to update. Now, if you have custom fields that are already created for that location, then or for that custom value that you can port over, you can map, then that's absolutely fine. But in, for example, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come in here and you're going to say, okay, we got the business rewards description. So we're going to go over to custom fields and we're going to create a new field, single line, hit next, rewards, business description. Okay. And actually, I'm going to go back because that should be a multi-line here because it's going to be a text box. And we're going to go rewards, business, description. Okay. And then we're going to hit here. And then I'm just going to put that into rewards in that custom field. Okay, so you might want to create a new grouping for this, which is just onboarding or updating or something like that for those custom fields. And right now I'm putting it into rewards. So inside there, we're going to have rewards. Okay, so that is really the first thing, making custom fields for your custom values so that you can get them in there. The next thing is we're going to go into our let's go back to agency view here. We're going to go into smart reviews and our custom values updater. And then this is where we're going to go and create that collection. Okay. So what the collection really is just you're mapping custom fields to custom values. So I'm going to go here. Oh, let me just go back for a second. I'm doing this all in one shot here. So inside here, we have smart rewards. We already have that pulled up for right here. So smart reviews, smart rewards, I can hit edit collection. It's going to show us all the custom values we have inside of smart rewards. It pulls that directly from your high level location. And then you're going to see, like, let's say, for example, let's say business description. Say this is one that we want to do. We can actually go here and we can go rewards business description. That's the custom field that we just created. Okay, so now this is going to be mapped to this so that anytime we send the webhook or you use this, if you use that rewards business description custom field in a form, and then we submit that with the webhook, what our system is going to do is going to match up those two things, and it's going to update the custom value in that location. Now, the only thing that you need to be able to do here is add that location here and then assign the collection to that location. Now we have automations to do this for you as well. So if you're doing SaaS or anything like that, and you want to automatically assign a collection for, let's say you create a collection for one of your snapshots and you're distributing that out to your different clients, we have it. So we made it automated so that you can automatically authorize that location and assign a collection. So our system knows exactly what custom fields to look for, what custom values to update, and which location is getting updated from that system. So that's essentially how it works. Now, what you need to do on the front end of your system after you go in and create those custom fields is obviously go create the form and then add the webhook. The webhook that you're going to use for adding is right here. This is the webhook. We made it here. It's just automatically created for you. And then right here, this is the webhook if we're actually authorizing a new location from your onboarding script. So that's what that does. So this is kind of an overview of how to do it. I'm going to go in a little bit deeper, I guess, on each one of these steps and break it up into like multiple little videos so that it makes sense and it's a little bit easier to follow rather than me jumping in and trying to cover it all in one big shot here. So expect a couple more videos down the road here. You'll see them in the training and go through it. And if you have any questions, always fire them our way. You can email support@ghlsmartscripts.com, and we'll talk to you soon.